morning, Wildcats, and welcome to today. It is Monday, April 5th, 2021, and I am live in Mrs. Garcia's kindergarten classroom. I have three pledgers. Their names are... If you could please stand and join Riley, Sienna, and Daniel. I need you to stand, place your hand over your heart, face the U.S. flag as we say our Pledge of Allegiance to the U.S. flag. I pledge allegiance of the United States of America and to the republic indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. Pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, under God, one and indivisible. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected. This means at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please find a trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. We continue to be a No Place for Hate school, and the students meet weekly to discuss new ways to enforce our pledge, which is to treat everyone fairly, be kind to everyone, and if you see someone being hurt or bullied, to tell a teacher, and to help others feel safe and happy at school. We have two birthdays today. Happy birthday to Kayla A. in pre-K 3, and happy birthday to Brianna in 3rd grade. We have a couple of announcements. April is National Child Abuse Prevention Month. It is also Mathematics Awareness Month. So the Math PLC has planned a full month full of fun ideas and activities. Every Monday there will be a math challenge, so look out for that. And every Friday a mathematician will be recognized. Let's continue to practice safety protocols by wearing masks and washing your hands frequently. Please remember the 6 feet rule, and also remember that tomorrow, our 4th graders, let's send them a lot of positive thoughts. Tomorrow, our 4th graders will be taking the first STAR test of the year. The character education theme for the month of April is self-discipline. Our quote of the day is, if you have self-control, are honest and work hard, you can do anything. So students, think about that today. Are you being honest? Are you working hard? And are you keeping self-control? Now, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh. Say, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
I'm sorry, friends, it's a Monday, so we're going to do it one more time. Make it a great day or not. All right, that's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. We hope that you choose to make it a magical Monday.